Making good food is easy. Here is one of the food methods used for preparing food ingredients when cooking village style stew. Get your grinding stone, also known as olo, and the small one known as omolo. Clean thoroughly with water. Place all your ingredients on the large one and use the small one to grind the ingredients. For these, I'm using tomatoes, bell peppers, scotch bonnet pepper, and onions. And I'm done with grinding. So now it's time for cleaning. To clean the grinding stone, you have to use just water and sponge. Sponge used for cleaning your dishes in your kitchen is what you should use. The reason why we don't clean with soap is because when you clean your omolo with soap, if you need it soon to grind another ingredient, there is a high chance that that ingredient will taste and smell like soap. But you can use it if you don't really use the omolo to grind ingredients often. Here is an example of what I'm talking about. If you use it to grind ingredients in the morning and you would still need it in the midday to grind some other ingredients, then don't use soap. Simply use the method that you can see in this video. Use water and sponge to clean it thoroughly. Then put it in a clean and dry place and allow it to air dry. Now that we're done with the cleaning and the grinding part, it's time for the cooking part. And I'll be using my locally made charcoal stove. I have some charcoal in it already. It's hot and it's cooking, and I'm already heating up some palm oil, and with that palm oil I have been able to fry some onions, catfish and crayfish. Now I will go in with my blended pepper mix. One thing about cooking with charcoal is it is clean energy, no smoke, it is really efficient, but there is no place for you to reduce the heat or increase the heat. But as this video continues, I'll tell you what to do. After putting the pepper mix into the mixture, I'll add my seasoning cube, some salt, and more crayfish powder. Crayfish powder is a popular way of enhancing the deliciousness and taste in village style cooking. After adding all of this, I'll give it a very good stir, and then I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. One other advantage of cooking with charcoal stove is that it is really fast. And after 15 minutes, let me show you what I have. My stew is ready. So let me share with you how to reduce the cooking heat when using charcoal stove to cook. It's very simple. You put down whatever you have on the stove. Then with an iron spoon, especially the iron spoon you no longer use in your kitchen, yes, use that one. Remove some of the hot charcoal and then get just small water and pour it over the hot charcoal that is still in the charcoal stove. This will help you reduce the heat so that your food doesn't burn easily, or for whatever reason you need to reduce the heat. This is your cooking hack. My delicious village style stew is ready. Bye.